Today let's work with any Griffin Valentine Doily die set. Okay, first I wanted to show you how the dies look like. And for all of them you can do that, but I wanted to show you at least with one of them that you can keep the I don't know, the cuts inside of it by sticking them down with the tape, or sticking down on a piece of cardstock and paper piece them, and you can get totally different look, especially if you want to use them on top of these intricate die cuts. I know this is, let me, this way it would show more instead of using this. You can use both, but I wanted to show you the other option. You can paper piece the designs and get totally different look. I know I've used the same color, but you can cut it in two different colors and it's gonna be something like this, for example. Alright, next I'm going to make a few cards with these dies. I made a couple of cards with this die set and combine it with using the other dies and stamps I had in my stash. And actually I wanted to show you different options with this review. I wanted to show you that you can use all the dies and stamps you have and make different kind of design with the new things you buy. So let me explain what I've used in this cards. Okay, for this one I've used the dies that came in this bundle, and by using the new die set that I purchased from Diamond Press, and I recently did a haul video for that. I've used this die set here which says sending lots of love. So that's that, and I made a bow to complete the card. For this one I've used another die from this bundle, the Diamond Press, let me tell the name, the Diamond Press Hello Sentiment die kit, which I purchased from a Diamond Press website. It's mydiamondpress.com. And I've used this one and decorated with some gems, and these flourishes came in one of Anna's Christmas card kits, so I used those. And with this one I wanted to show you this die set. Even though it says it's Valentine Doily die set, it doesn't mean you can use it only for Valentine or love cards, anniversary cards, things like that. I've used this die set to make Christmas card or holiday cards, so I wanted to show you that. And I've used one of the stickers that came with, again, one of Anna's Christmas card kit, and the sentiment is coming again from that card kit. So that's that. And for this one, which I really like, I've used my recent purchase from Diamond Press again, a floral dies I purchased from Diamond Press website. I've used to decorate this card with it, and used a few pearls, sorry, not the pearls, the gemstones to decorate it more. And for the stamp I've used a stamp set that came in my A Year of Craft from Crafter's Companion. So if you have that bundle, you can use the stamp set on that product. So that's that. I wanted to show you you can use different brands together. You don't have to only use Anna Griffin stamps or dies to get an elegant and pretty card. And for the last one, I wanted to show you again you can use different type of products to make a pretty card. I've used a love die that came again in my A Year of Craft from Crafter's Companion. I used that one and stack a few of them. I die cut a few and stack them together to get a dimensional sentiment. And I did show you I cut 2 layers of this die set, and what I've done is I cut a piece out of this die cut and stick it together. I made it really simple. I wanted to show you that's the possibility. You can cut a different part of your design and layer it together, and with those you can get multiple designs, and it's look like you have you used a couple of dies to decorate your cards or project, but in reality what you used only is one die, and but die cutting in different colors and combining together you got that look. I hope I was able to explain it correctly. And for the floral, I've used 2 of the stickers that came with, again, another Anna Griffin Christmas card kit, and I wanted to show you some of the design in those card kits are not specifically for Christmas. I don't think these are only can be used in Christmas cards or holidays card. So I've used those and decorated with a few more gems, and I've got this pretty card here. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.